Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Bhartiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch divided on medium of instruction issue. RSS refuses to participate in the agitation. Not more than 5 members press for agitation. Madgaon court declares 2 builders in Kankon building collapse case as absconders, criticizes lax probe, summons SP Karthik Kashyap on Friday. First lot of e-auctioning on 17 February, auctioning in 2 sessions, 49 lots open for bidding, 20 for price and quantity bidding. Mapsa police filed charge sheet in Nigerian murder case. Charge sheet shockingly silent on drug rivalry, skips events that led to the murder. And I-League football resumes on Tuesday. Tilak Stadium to host I-League matches as club officials complain of uneven surface at Nehru Stadium. And now the news in detail. The fire in Bhartiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch for My Bus has almost died. Only 5 to 6 members out of 20 were pressing for an agitation against the government. RSS refused to participate if an agitation is launched. RSS leaders tried to convince the rest that the MOI policy has fulfilled 75% of their demands. The Manch was divided over the next course of action and the meeting ended without even fixing next date of meeting.
Bhartiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch agitation against MOI decision by Parrikar-led government has almost lost its zeal. Prudent tried to sense the mood of BBSM and its members. In the Wednesday meeting, only 5 to 6 members out of 20 spoke in favor of an agitation. Remaining members spoke on MOI decision, spoke against the government, but did not show willingness for a massive agitation. RSS flatly refused any participation in an agitation against the government. Manch demanded government to not allow grants for foreign language in primary schools. 5 to 6 members were vocal and this was their stand. Earlier we called Digambar as betrayer of My Bhas. Now Parrikar has also followed his footsteps. The MOI committee never discussed about minority schools. How come it reflected in the MOI cabinet note?
सगळ्यां बरोबर आसा आमी भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा
म्हणजे तुमची एक स्पेशली बाहेर जाय आशिल्ली
ना उदय बाब जे सांगतात तेंच मत आसा
तशें न्ही सर पयली आमी तुमच्या कडल्यान बायट घेताले म्हणजे तुमची सुद्दां बायट घेताले
ते इट वॉज अ डिफरंट हे न्ही
ते आमी अजून सरकाराक पक्षाक सांगपाचो प्रयत्न करतात की हे धोरण आमच्या मूळ उद्देश पूर्ण करिना ते तुमी फाटीं घेवचे आनी जायत्यो सुविधा भितर दाखयल्यात आणि ह्यो तातूंत पळोवपाक काय भास आसात काय आभास आसा अशें दिसता म्हणटकूच हाजो बरोसो अभ्यास जावचो पडटलो
पर्सनल आणि भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाचे मत एकच आसा भारतीय सुरक्षा मंचाक ही पॉलिसी मान्य आसा अशें नाच हय पॉलिसी मान्य ना हे सगळे जण सांगतले
ॲक्शन फुडलें डिसायड जावना पूण आमी करतले अशें म्हणजे थोड्या दिसांनी मेळून बारीक बारीक खुबश्यो गजाली आसात तातूंत त्यो सगळ्यो डिस्कस करून मागीर ॲक्शन डिसायड करतले.
After the meet, one of the members sarcastically commented, Parrikar ditched us, now we are in the mode of ditching the public. RSS leaders even tried to convince the rest that 75% of their demands are met and talks should continue with the government rather than going for an agitation. Sources say 5 to 6 members who are against the tide are planning to form a separate front to agitate massively against the government and its MOI decision. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Madgaon Sessions Court has declared 2 builders of Ruby Residency as proclaimed absconders in the Kankon building collapse case. Now police has an option of confiscating properties of the absconding accused. Court has wrapped police for showing laxity while investigating this case. Court has summoned SP Crime Branch Karthik Kashyap on Friday. Kankon building collapse matter hearing was held at Madgaon Sessions Court. Court has wrapped police for showing laxity in arresting the accused in this case. This is what happened during the hearing. Court wraps police for being lax in investigation. Court summons SP Crime Branch Karthik Kashyap on Friday for hearing. Court issues proclamation against builders. Municipal Engineer Rajat Desai's bail application hearing on Friday. Next hearing on Friday, 7th February. Special Public Prosecutor Advocate Rajiv Gomes has expressed a need for arrest of remaining 6 accused. He has also alleged that investigating officer is influenced by SP Crime Branch.
The court questioned investigating officer was present as to why he was reluctant to investigate and interrogate further other accused in this case. The SP of Crime Branch may be involved in influencing the investigating officer not to investigate. He has been directed to remain present before the court tomorrow in the morning. The involvement of chief officers, both Pradeep Naik and Deepak Desai, then the involvement of the builders and now the municipal engineers. These six accused primarily have to be arrested. After these 6 accused are arrested, then we have to see whether there are other people involved along with them. But primarily it is these 6 persons who have to be arrested first. The chief officers are concerned, though they have been given written instructions to arrest them, they have not been arresting them. They have not gone for bail. They are still working in their respective departments till now. The police have not done anything to arrest them. As far as Ashang Gaonkar is concerned, who is a municipal engineer, his bail application, anticipated bail application was rejected, but he is absconding. Municipal engineer Rajat Desai's application is coming for hearing tomorrow in the morning. Builders are absconding, and today the court has issued a proclamation against the builders.
Till now, Deputy Collector Prashant Shirodkar, Deputy Town Planner Prakash Bandodkar, Contractor Vishwas Desai are arrested. The next hearing is fixed on Friday. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent. Government has announced first e-auction lots for extracted iron ore on 17th February. E-auctioning will be held in 2 sessions. First session will have lots of minerals offered for price bidding. Altogether, 49 number of lots will be kept open for auctioning, which includes fines and lumps of ore. Second session will see 20 lots of fines and lumps of ore kept open for price and quantity bidding. The ore from 5 locations will be kept for e-auctioning and 40 bidders will participate in the process.
First lot of ore for auctioning located at MPT, Sherwana, Amona, Kapshe, Vagus and Sarmanas jetty is scheduled for 17th February. Altogether, 49 lots of iron ore will be kept for e-auctioning. E-auctioning will be held from 10 am to 12 pm on 17th February. In the second session, which will begin from 2 pm to 4 pm, 20 lots of iron ore will be kept open for price and quantity bidding. Meanwhile, 3 members of the Iron Ore Capping Committee arrived in the state on Wednesday. The 6-member committee will meet on 9th February for suggesting annual cap on the volume of the iron ore. Committee will submit its report on 15th February before the Supreme Court. Bureau Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.